Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a focused palette, one primary, one or two accents, plus neutrals. Explain why consistency builds recognition and reduces cognitive load. Once done, measure contrast ratios. Make sure to meet accessibility thresholds like 4. 5, 1 for normal text, and 3, 1 for large headings. Next, generate hex and RGB swatches and include 0, 5 opacity options for overlays. This gives you immediate, reusable variables for CSS. Now you're ready to map colors to function and hierarchy. You now assign colors to UI roles: primary actions, secondary elements, success, warning, and error. Explain how that simplifies decisions. Developers and designers follow the same rules. Once done, apply the 60-30-10 balance to distribute emphasis. Make sure to reduce saturation for background planes and increase it for call to actions. Test across devices and simulate varied brightness levels because perceived contrast shifts. Finally, export tokenized variables for CSS, design systems, or component libraries so you can implement consistently. You implement colors as variables in CSS, theme objects, or design tokens so components inherit styles predictably. Explain why this matters. It speeds theming and reduces bugs. Once done, run automated accessibility audits and quick user tests. Make sure to observe tap targets and text readability under real conditions. If issues arise, try one fix at a time. Desaturate problematic hues, increase contrast, or simplify to fewer colors. The key troubleshooting tip: when unsure, collapse to fewer hues and reevaluate contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.